Welcome back to my crochet tutorial series for absolute beginners. In this second part, I will show you how to make double crochet, the foundation of double crochet, and a bonus trick on how to create a long chain. So let's get started. I'll be using a 5.5mm crochet hook to make it easier for you to see how I'm making the stitches. Let's start from the very beginning with a slip knot. Take the yarn tail, fold it over, and place your hook under the tail. Yarn over the long part of the yarn, ensuring you push it away from you, and pull it through the loop. And there's your slip knot. Now let's move on the foundation chain. Yarn over, pull through the loop to create a chain stitch. Doing yarn over, you want to grab the yarn with your hook from back to front. And repeat this process until you have 10 chain stitches. And one more. Now I have it. Alright, let's get started with the double crochet stitch. Insert your hook into the third chain from the hook, here. To begin, yarn over, insert your hook. Now yarn over and pull through, leaving 3 loops on your hook. Next, yarn over again and pull through the first 2 loops on your hook. Then yarn over once more and pull through the remaining 2 loops. That completes your first double crochet stitch. Insert your hook into the next chain. Yarn over and pull through. Yarn over again and pull through the first 2 loops. Then yarn over and pull through the last 2 loops. Now continue this process working into each chain across the row. And repeat this until we reach the end of the row. When you reach the last chain, make sure to chain 1. This chain will be as a turning chain, allowing you to turn your work and start the next row. Now yarn over and insert your hook into the first stitch. Yarn over, pull through, yarn over again and pull through the first 2 loops. Yarn over once more and pull through the last 2 loops. Repeat these steps for each stitch until we reach the end of the row. Remember, practice is key to building confidence. In my upcoming video, I will demonstrate how to create a beautiful bag using only the double crochet stitch. So stay tuned for your next project. As I mentioned earlier, let's make a long chain without getting confused along the way. Begin with a slip knot, then proceed to make 6 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4. Once you completed these chains, take your hook out. Next, insert your hook into the first chain and then into your last loop. Continue making your chains until you achieve your desired length. For demonstration purposes, I will be making 30 chains. Once you reach the length you need, just take your hook out and insert it back into your last chain. And now I will show how to make your foundation chain of double crochet, starting with this simple chain. First, turn your chain from the back. Then wrap the yarn over your hook and insert into the second loop from the back, here. Yarn over again and pull through, leaving 3 loops on your hook. Yarn over once more and pull through the first 2 loops, then yarn over and pull through the remaining 2 loops. Continue this pattern, inserting your hook into the next back loop from your chain, until you reach the end of the row. Here's your foundation made of double crochet. Take a look at how beautiful it looks from both sides. Wow. And don't forget to chain 1 to turn your work, and then you can start your next row. Now yarn over and insert your hook into the first stitch. Yarn over once again and pull through. Yarn over and pull through the first 2 loops on your hook. Yarn over once more and pull through the remaining 2 loops. Repeat these steps for each stitch until you reach the end of the row. that's how your project will look if you use the double crochet stitch. Keep practicing and you will be ready to make your first project using just double crochet stitch. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in my next video.